Hello class 8 students. In today's class in lecture 4 we will learn to find out the square root by division method. Okay? I am your math teacher Nitin and today I will explain you how to find out square root by using division method. In earlier lectures we have studied two methods. Number one was by a repeated subtraction method. हम square root find out करते थे. Second method I told you was prime factorization method. And the third method which we will discuss today is division method. Okay students? Good. Square root by division method. Now I will take one example and with that example it will be clear to you how to find out the square root by division method. Okay? Now, first number I am taking 529. Okay students? Now 529 का square root निकालेंगे by division method. Now step 1 students, start pairing the number from the right hand side. Okay? We will start pairing number from the right hand side. We will make division sign. This is division sign. Start pairing number. Now this is one pair. पेयर कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 है. 5 का पेयर नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, यू अंडरलाइन इट. ओके. नाउ 29 इज अ पेयर एंड 5 इज नॉट अ पेयर्ड नंबर बट स्टिल यू अंडरलाइन इट. नाउ स्टूडेंट व्हाट वी विल डू, ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वी विल ट्राई टू डिवाइड दिस 5 बाय द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर. ओके. तो हमारा स्क्वायर क्या आएगा, 2 2s are square. We will divide by 2 2s are 4. ओके. स्क्वायर से हमको डिवाइड करना है, 3 से हम नहीं डिवाइड कर सकते बिकॉज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 इज 9 एंड दिस इज ओनली 5, तो इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 5. तो इन डिवीजन मेथड व्हाट वी डू, आफ्टर पेयरिंग वी डिवाइड अ नंबर बाय द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर. 2 2s are 4, 1 आया. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप you have to copy this pair. Copy this pair. In normal division हम एक ही नंबर कॉपी करते हैं, but in division square root division method we copy this pair. Now student you need a divisor. आपका जो quotient आया है इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. 2 multiplied by 2 is how much, 4. Okay. Now you have to find out such a number. आपको आगे 4 के आगे हमको उस नंबर को लगाना है एंड उसी नंबर से हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे टू गेट द नियरेस्ट नंबर और इक्वल टू दिस 129. ओके. नाउ वी विल ट्राई 4. अगर हम 4 के आगे 3 लगाएं, दिस इज हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड स्टूडेंट्स. आपको 2-3 नंबर ट्राई करने होंगे. आई एम ट्राइंग विथ 3. 4 के आगे हमने 3 लगाया. जो नंबर आप लेंगे उसी से उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, हमने 3 लिया है तो आई विल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. ओके. अगर आप 3 की जगह पे कोई और नंबर लेंगे तो सेम नंबर से उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. The number is 129 and I need 129. So I will write 3 as a quotient and 3 over here. Okay. Both place you have to write the number. Now 43 3s are how much, 129. So the quotient is 23. So 23 is my answer. Clear students? One more example I will do for you. Let's say we have a number 4096. Okay. Next number is example 2, 4096. You have to find out the square root of 4096. Okay student. 4096 step 1 we will make, start pairing them. ये पेयर आ गया, ये पेयर आ गया. वेरी गुड. नाउ आपको 40 स्क्वायर ऑफ द नंबर देखना है, तो ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका स्क्वायर या तो 40 हो या उसके नियर हो, स्मॉलर एंड नियर टू 40. नाउ चेक द स्क्वायर. 2 4 5 6. 6 का स्क्वायर इज क्लोज टू 40. 6 6 आर 36. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? हमको स्क्वायर चेक करना है. 6 6 आर 36. तो आई विल राइट 6 here as well as here and square is 36. Now subtract, you will get 4. Now in next step student, you have to copy this pair 96 पूरा pair copy करना है students, right? Now you have to find the divisor, multiply this 6 by 2, what you will get? 12. Now again by hit and trial method हमको एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है स्टूडेंट्स जो हम 12 के आगे लगाएं एंड विद द सेम नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करें, सो वी शुड गेट 496 इक्वल टू 496. जैसे नॉर्मल डिवीजन में या तो इक्वल हो या उसके क्लोज नंबर हो, राइट? सो व्हाट वी कैन ऐड, वी कैन ट्राई विद 3. ओके, we can try with 3 because it's a hit and trial method, so you have to find out with 2 3 numbers, but I am starting with 3. 12 3 3 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. It is 369. Okay, try. Now we will try it by 4. 1 2 4 4 से 4 हम ट्राई करेंगे. जिस नंबर से हम ट्राई करते हैं विद द सेम नंबर आपको मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 1 9, 4 1s are 4. So I will get 4. 4 से मेरा आंसर करेक्ट आ रहा है, तो I will write 4 over here as well as here. My division is completed. Now the square root of 4096 is 64. Square root of this is your answer. Clear students? Good. Now one more example we will do students. Find the square root of 729. Okay, 729. Square root of 729, that too by division method. Okay, what we will do now, 729, start pairing number from extreme right hand side. Now I got first number 7, unpaired number है. Again what we will do, we will find out the square number. So 3 3s are 9, that is bigger than 7, then 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Subtract, you will get 3. Copy this pair 29. Double of 2, 2 को multiply करेंगे 4 आएगा. Now students search such a number जो हम यहाँ रखें और उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमको 329 मिल जाए. ओके, सो एनी नंबर 329 हमको मिल जाए. नाउ 7, सच नंबर इज 7. आप चेक कर सकते हैं 47 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7, 7 4 are 12, 12 plus 4 160, 7 7s are 49, 4 7 4s are 28, 28 and 4 is how much? 32, 329. So I will write 7 over here, 7 over 329. So my division is complete. The square root of 729 is 27. Okay students, this is the division method. Clear हो गया है कैसे करना है? Good. Now students, one more question to you, very interesting question. Without actually dividing, can you tell how many digits are there in the square root of a given number? Okay, now for example, without actually dividing the number, can you tell how many digits are there in the square root of a given number? Let's say we have a number 529. Okay, now without actually finding out the square root, you have to tell how many digits are there in the square root of a number. Okay, one number is 529 and the second number I am taking is 4096. Third number I am taking 1299, 1296. Now students, question is, without actually finding out the square root, you have to tell how many digits are there in the square root of a given number. Okay, now the trick to find out without actually calculating square root. To find out the number of digits, the trick is start pairing these numbers from the extreme right, one pair and the second one is without pair. ये आपके पास कितने बार आ गए? 2. So the square root of 529 you calculated earlier is 23. Now how many digits are there? 2. And how many bars are there? 2. So this is the trick, students. By just checking the number of bars, you can tell how many digits are there in the square root without actually finding out the square root. Okay. Now, how many digits? Number of digits in square root. 2. Now, this one, second one, start pairing from extreme right. हमारे पास 2 pairs complete बनते हैं. How many bars are there? 2. So here again you will get 2 digits in the square root of a given number. Okay. Now the third one, again start pairing. How many bars are there? 1 bar, 2 bar. 2 bars are there. So again you will get 2 digits in the square root of a given number. Clear, students? Now second example, students, you will get across the exercise. Now question is, example, find the least number that must be subtracted. Find the least number. Least means smallest. Least number that must be subtracted. That must be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square. Okay, this is the question. Now you have to find out this by division method only. No prime factorization method use नहीं करना है. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607. Okay. Now how we will do this question? We will divide 5607. We will find out the square root of 5607 using division method. Start pairing from extreme right. Now 56, you have to find out the square root of a number, square of a number which is divisible, which is near to 56. 7 sevens are 49. 8 8 or 64 will be greater than 56. Now 7, copy 07. Square of double of 7 is how much? 14. Now what number should I add so that if I multiplied that number and I should get 707 or near to 707. This is again hidden trial method. So 707. Okay, we can try with 5. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 2. 725. Okay. 725 is greater than 707. So leave 5. We will go with 4. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry over. 4 4s are 16. 1 17. 4 1s are 4 and 5. 576. Right. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. 10 minus 7 is how much? 3. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So 131 is the remainder. Okay. So this is your answer. 131 should be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square number. Right. So 131 should be subtracted from 5607. Minus 131 7 4 5 4 7 6 is a square number. Okay, this is a perfect square number which we get after subtracting 131. Okay. Now he says find out the square root of 5476. So square root of 5476 is equal to, when you will find out the square root, you will get your answer as 74. Okay. Now I am repeating the question, student. The question was find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square. This question is given in your book, example number 10, and the page number is 105. You can read the question from the book. The question is find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square. So the step 1, I will try to find out the square root by division method. Pairing करेंगे and then I got the remainder as 131. Subtract this remainder from 5607. So your new number is 5476. The number you got 5476 is a perfect square. किसका perfect square है? आप वापस से इसको डिवीजन मेथड से आप निकाल सकते हैं. You will get 74 as your answer. Okay, good. Now students, we will learn how to find out the square root of a decimal number, okay, by division method. Find square root of a decimal number. By division method. For example, the number given to us is find the square root of 17.64. Okay. Now see the trick what we will do in these questions. Don't worry about the decimal. Write now student, always remember after decimal you should have a pair of a number. Okay. Now I already have here pair, मेरे पास pair है. अगर pair नहीं होता then you add 0 and make it a pair. Okay. डेसिमल के बाद पेयर होना चाहिए. इफ आई हैव वन नंबर देन ऐड 1 0, तो मेरा पेयर कंप्लीट हो गया. इफ यू हैव 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस देन ऐड 1 0, देन यू विल हैव 2 पेयर्स, राइट. सो ऑलवेज आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर शुड बी अ पेयर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट पेयरिंग देम. सिंपल है, जैसे हमने पहले किया था. वी विल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर. नाउ 4 4s are 16. 1. Now students, you cannot copy the next pair until and unless you put decimal over here. आप जब तक डेसिमल इधर नहीं लगा देंगे आप डेसिमल क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते, आप नंबर कॉपी नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, दिस इज द रूल. एज सून एज यू पुट द डेसिमल ओवर here, now you can copy this number. Okay. Now again student, one thing very important. अब आपको इसका डबल नंबर लेना है तो डोंट वरी अबाउट द डेसिमल. आप सिर्फ होल नंबर का आप नंबर ले लें, डबल नंबर ले लें. आई विल गेट हियर 8. डेसिमल की आप चिंता बिल्कुल ना करें, लीव दैट डेसिमल. ओके, होल नंबर जो आपके पास है उसी का आपको डबल नंबर लेना है. नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर जिससे हमारा ये आंसर आ जाए. वी विल ट्राई बाय 2. ओके, 2 here, 2 to the 4 and 2 8 the 16. So my answer is square root of 17.64 is 4.2. Is it clear students? That's how you will do the division of a decimal number to find out the square root of a decimal number. One more example I will do. One more example, 12.25. Find out the square root of 12.25. Okay, this is the number given to us, 12.25. Don't worry, what we will do, 12.25, start pairing. Okay, now 12, 3 3s are 9, you will get 3. अब इधर डेसिमल आ गया है स्टूडेंट्स, so first I will put decimal here. Now I can copy the number. 3 का डबल इज हाउ मच 6. अब हमको 6 के आगे कोई नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है स्टूडेंट्स। यस 5 से जाता है, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry over, 5 6 is 30 plus 2 that is 32. So the square root of 12.25 is 3.5. I hope it is clear to you now. Good students. Now come to exercise 6.4. Now come to exercise students, exercise 6.4, question number 1. Question number 1 is find the square root by using division method. I will do 9th part for you, 576. Find out the square root of 576 using division method. Okay. As I told you, start pairing them from the extreme right. Pairing करेंगे, then 2 2s are 4, square से करना है student. Copy this pair. 2 का double is 4. We will put 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. No. 4 लेंगे student, 4. We will take 4 student, 4. 4 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 176. Okay. So the square root of 576 is equal to 24. This is your answer. Clear students? All other parts are same. Question number 1, do all other parts on your own. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 student, very easy and simple question. Without actually finding out the square root, you have to tell the number of digits in the square root. Okay? Without actually finding the square root, you have to tell how many digits are there in the square root. Now I will do the 5th part for you. 5th part, find out the number given is 390625. Okay. Now I have to tell how many digits are there in the square root of a given number. Now the trick is, you from extreme right you start pairing 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. How many pairs, how many bars are there, how many pairs are there? There are 3 pairs. So the number of digits in the square root of a given number will be 3. It is your answer. Clear students? Okay. Now rest all parts of question number 2 on your own. Do on your own. Now find the square root of the, come to question number 3. Question number 3 students, find the square root of the following decimal numbers. You have to find out the square root of the decimal number. I am taking here second exam question, question number 3, second part. Find out the square root of 7.29. Okay. Now student, what we will do? 7.29, right? We will start pairing from the right hand side. Now here we will get 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this decimal is there, so copy this decimal first as a quotient. Now only you can copy next pair. Okay. Now 329, double of 2 is how much? 4. Don't worry about the decimal students, decimal पे कुछ नहीं करना है, whole number का आपको double लेना है, that is 4. Now what we will, 3, 7, it is going by 7, 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 4 28, 329. Okay. So the square root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7. This is your answer. Rest part, question number 3 you do on your own. They are just like the question we did over here. Now come to question number 4 student. Question number 4 is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Okay. Now first part I am doing for you. Question number 4. A number given to us is 402. Least number that should be subtracted from 402. What we will do? We will divide this number. We will Question number 4, student. Question number 4, you have to find out the least number that must be subtracted from 402. Okay, so start. We will divide this number. Start pairing. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Now copy the second pair 0 2. Okay, now again 0 2 is smaller than, we will copy 0 over here. Okay, now 20 is my quotient, and what is the remainder here? Remainder is 2. So the least number that should be subtracted is 2. Our answer is, हमारा remainder 2 आया है, so 2 should be subtracted from 402 to get a perfect square. Now also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Now what is the number that we will obtain after subtracting 2? That is 400. Now the question is, find the square root of the number so obtained. So square root of 400 is what? Square root of 400. Start pairing. 2 2s are 4. Copy 0. I will copy 1 over 0, 20. So my answer will be 20. 20 is the square root of 400. Okay, this is the answer of this is the square root of the number obtained after subtracting the least number. Okay, so that's how we will do this question. Question number 4, all other parts you do on your own, right? Good. Question number 5, students. Now you have to find out the least number that should be added to get a perfect square. Find the least number which must be added in the following number to get a perfect square. First part I am doing for you, 525. Okay, now just see how we will get our answer. Now 525, start pairing. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, डिवीजन मेथड से हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं 1, कॉपी 25. नाउ द डबल ऑफ 2 इज 4. तो व्हाट शुड बी एडिड? 3 4 3 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Oh, 3 is bigger, students. So what number should we add? We should go with 2. 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now student, it is a logical question. 525 is greater than the square of 22 because we are getting remainder. Okay. We are getting a remainder. So नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर नंबर इज, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर नंबर? 22 के स्क्वायर से 52, दिस 52, 22 के स्क्वायर से दिस 525 इज ग्रेटर, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्क्वायर नंबर? दैट ऑब्वियसली 23. 23 के स्क्वायर से नंबर कम होगा, स्मॉलर होगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 23? फाइंड आउट. 529. Okay, now this is 525 and the square of 23 is 529. Now the question is, what should be added to 525 so that it become a perfect square? So my answer is here, it is greater than 22 के स्क्वायर. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, इसमें क्या ऐड करें कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए? सो व्हाट इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ नेक्स्ट नंबर? दैट इज 529. 529 minus 525 is equal to 4. So 4 is the number which should be added to 525 to get a perfect square. Clear, students? So this is your answer. Okay, do all other part, they are same, students. Question number 5 first part I have done for you. Now come to question number 9. question number 9, students. Question number 9 is there are 500 children in a school for a PT drill. They have to stand in such a way that the number of rows is equal to the number of the column. Find how many students would be left out in this arrangement. Okay. In such questions, you should find out the square root by division method. Now, total students are 500. We have to find out the square root. Start pairing. 2 to the 4, 1 double 0. Now 2 square of 2 double of 2 is 4. 4 के आगे हम क्या नंबर ऐड करें? It will be 2. 84. 100 minus 84 is how much? 16. So student, this is the remainder. So 16 students would be left out. Okay. Now students, exercise 6.4 is completed. All the questions of exercise 6.4 should be done neatly in your copies. All the questions and each part of the question will be checked by the teachers. Okay, that's all in today's video. Bye bye, take care.